Today we are going to learn chapter number 8, decimal of standard 6. Now here a example is there that a cost of pen is 6.7 rupees. Now here you can see a point over here. This point is called decimal. So here 6 is rupees and 7 is paisa. So the paisa and rupees, so the greater, whatever greater is the rupees is greater, so it will be before the point, and paisa is lesser than the rupees, so it will be after the point. Now first topic is tens. Now here example is there. Ravi and Raju measured the lengths of their pencils. Ravi's pencil was 7 cm and 5 mm. Now here a length of Ravi's pencil is given and it is 7 cm and 5 mm. Now here centimeter and millimeter, two different units are taken for measuring the length of the pencil. Now this 7 cm and 5 mm you have to write down in the decimal point. Another thing is given that Raju's pencil was 8 cm and 3 mm long. Can you express this length in centimeter using decimals? Now only you have to convert this millimeter also in the centimeter and write down in the form of decimals. Now you should know the relation between centimeter and millimeter. Now what is relation between millimeter and centimeter? That 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Now here already millimeter we want to convert into centimeter. So what will be 1 millimeter? 1 millimeter will be 1 by 10 centimeter. So if we want to convert millimeter into centimeter, then divide it by 10. So here 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So 1 millimeter will be equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. Now first we will write down the decimal form for Ravi's pencil's length. So length of Ravi's pencil is equal to 7 cm and 5 mm, that is given in the example. 7 cm 5 mm. Now this millimeter we will convert it into centimeter. So for converting into centimeter we have to divide it by 10. So 5 divided by 10 centimeter. So 7 centimeter as it is. Now 5 by 10 means out of 10 parts, 5 parts are of centimeter. So 5 tenths of centimeter. So last we can write down 7 point. Now this 5.5, because here you can see that 5 by 10 can be written as only 1 0 is there. It means that after point only 1 digit should be there. So after point 1 digit, that is 5. And before it will be 0. So 5 by 10 is in the fraction form and 0.5 is in the decimal form. So here 5 tenths of centimeter can be written as, it can be written as 7 plus 0.5 centimeter. So if we will add 7 plus 0.5, then it will be 7.5. So last it will be 7.5 centimeter. Now length of Raju's pencil. Now length of Raju's pencil is given 8 centimeter and 3 millimeter. Now here again 8 centimeter and 3 millimeter, same steps we will follow. We will divide it 3 millimeter with the divided by 10 to convert it into centimeter. So 8 centimeter as it is, 3 millimeter, it will be converted into centimeter by dividing it by with the 10. So 3 by 10 centimeter. So it will be equal to 8 centimeter as it is. Now 3 by 10 means 0.3 centimeter plus, now if we will add, then it will be 8.3 centimeter. So this is the required answer. Write the following as numbers in given table. Now here table is given. Here you can see this table is given tens, ones, and tens. Now here a figure is given, blocks are given to you. Here 2 blocks are given of tens, ones blocks are given and tens blocks are given. Now you have to count that how many blocks are there. Here tens blocks means 10 blocks are there. How many 10 blocks are there? 2 blocks are there. So 2 multiplied by 10. Now here ones. Ones means only one we have to consider. So here 1, 2 and 3. 3 blocks of ones are there. So 3 multiplied by 1 and tens blocks are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 multiply tens means 1 by 10. 10 will be in the fraction form. So now how we will write down in the table? Tens are how many? 2 multiplied by 10? 20. Ones 3 multiplied by 1. So 3. And tens will be 5 multiplied by 1 by 10. So it will be, here tens will be 5. And here only in the tens blocks we are writing, so we will only write down 2. Why? Because 10 blocks, how many? 2 are there. So lastly, how if we want to write down in the point form, how we will write down? 23. Where to put point? Over here the point will be there before the tens. 0.5. So it will be 23.5. Similarly, you have to do the other exercise. Write the following as numbers in place value table. Now a table is given over here and this table is a place value table. What is the place of that number in the place value table? That you have to find out and write. Now first A is 19.4. Now here first number column is given, after that tens, ones and tens. So here first A 19.4. Now here you can see, here it is a point. So after point one digit, that is tens. So this 4 will be written over here. After that this 9 is on the ones place. So at below ones we will write down 9. After that at tens place 1 is there. So 1. Now here next 4.2. After point first digit is of tens. So 2 will be written over here. After that, after point only at ones digit it is 4. So at ones place it will be 4. Now at tens place you are not able to find anything over here. So what we will write down? We can write down 0 over here. So this way you have to write down the place value table. Write the following as decimals. Now 2 examples are there. You have to write them in the decimal form. Here in the statement form they are given that 2 ones and 5 tens. 2 ones means only 2 plus 5 tens means 5 divided by 10. 5 divided by 10. Now this can be written in the decimal form as 2 after point 5, because 5 is at the tens place and 2 is at the ones place. So 2.5 point will be between these two numbers. Now next 30 plus 6 plus 2 by 10. Now already in the plus summation or plus form the numbers are given and you have to write down in the decimal form. So 30 plus 6 it will be 36 plus 2 by 10 means after 36 you have to put point, after point 2 will be there because 2 is at the tens place. Now fractions as decimals. Now fractions are given and you have to convert them in the decimals. Now whenever you have to convert them in the decimals, then the denominator should be 10 or 100. This way it will be, then it will become easy for you to put the decimals. Now here it is given 11 by 5. Now denominator we have to make it 10. We can make 10 because if we will multiply 2 with the denominator and numerator, then we will get the denominator as 10. So here 11 by 5. So we are multiplying by 2. So 5 2s are 10. So we are getting 10 as a denominator and 11 2s are 22. Now 22 by 10 can be written as 20 plus 2 by 10. You can write 20 plus 2 is 22 same by 10. So 20 by 10. Now this 10 can be written as denominator of 20 also and 2 also. So we will separate it. 20 by 10 plus 2 by 10. It will be equal to 20 by 10. 0, 0 can be cancelled out. So remaining is only 2. 2 by 1 means 2 only. So 2 plus here 2 divided by 10. So final answer will be 2. After that point 2 is at the 10th place. So after point 2 will be there. So here you can see 2.2. Now directly if you want to find out the answer, then here you can see 11 by 5. Now 5 multiplied by 2, 10. Here we have 10 as a denominator. So directly you can write down that this 22 is there. That 22 we will write down. Now here 1 0 is there. That means after point only one digit should be there. So if 2 is after the point, then where will the point will be? Point will be over here. So directly you will get the answer as 2.2. But in the exam you have to show this method. Decimals as fractions. Now decimals are given to you and you have to convert them into the fraction. Fraction means numerator and denominator, number which is having numerator and a denominator. Now already decimals is given 0.6. Now 0.6, that means 6 is where at the 10th place and 0 is at the 1's place. Here it is at the 1's place and 6 is at the 10th place. So here you have to write down 6. Now at the bottom what we will write? 6 is at the 10th place. This 0 we can write down in this sense, 0 plus 6 divided by 10. Why? 6 is after the point. So 6 will be have 10 as a denominator. So 0 plus 6 by 10, it can be written as only 6 by 10. Yes or no? 0. No need to write down. Only 6 by 10. So 6 by 10. Now we have to reduce it in the lowest form or the simplest form. So here you can see 6 and 10 both are having common factor as 2. So 6 can be cancelled out by 2 3s and 2 5s. So 3 by 5. So the final answer is 3 by 5. So the fraction form of 0.6 is 3 by 5.